Hello friends, I am Dr. Prashant Sharma and you are watching MEDICO'S Hub. This is my 8th lecture on glycolysis and I am going to discuss the energetics of glycolysis. In glycolysis, in step 1 ATP was utilized. In the same way, in step 3, another ATP was utilized. In step 6, two NADH were formed, which will result in formation of 5 ATP via ETS. We know that one NADH results in net movement of 10 protons across the inner mitochondrial membrane, which finally results in the formation of 2.5 ATP. So when 2 NADH will enter, 2 times 10 protons will move across the inner mitochondrial membrane and they will finally result in the formation of 5 ATP via ETS. Then in step 7, two ATP are formed, and in step 10 again 2 ATP are formed. So we can say that total ATP which are formed are 5 plus 2 plus 2, that is 9 ATP, and if net ATP production is taken, it comes out to be 7 ATP. It is important to note that this occurs when NADH moves via malate aspartate shuttle. So if malate aspartate shuttle is involved, then net ATP will be plus 7, while if glycerol phosphate shuttle is involved, then it produces, when NADH goes via the glycerol phosphate shuttle, it results in formation of FADH and then it enters to produce the net movement of 6 protons across the inner mitochondrial membrane, and finally 1.5 ATP per NADH are formed when we take the glycerol phosphate shuttle. So in that case 1.5 plus 1.5, that will produce 3 ATP. So instead of forming plus 5 ATP, it will produce plus 3 ATP and 2 ATP will be less from 7. That gives the net outcome of plus 5 ATP. So this is the energetics of glycolysis. Hit the like button, share and subscribe our channel to get the latest updates and notifications.